Hey, cooler coming at you. We're looking at a 2015 Mini Roadster with a Steptronic automatic transmission base model. What we're going to do today is change the spark plugs. And I'm not doing it because it needs it. I'm doing it because maybe you guys would like to learn how to do this. So, cheers. It's about 4:30 a.m. Like I said, cheers. The first thing I want to do is get the tools, and what we'll do is walk over here. And I made one little drawer here for the Mini Cooper Roadster, and what we're going to use for starters is a torque bit. It's a 30, as you can see, on a long extension. And that's what we're going to be needing for the cover. This cover has these screws in it, and then you're going to need a screwdriver. This screwdriver will do. It's been around for many years, but for this job it'll be used to pop these clips down here. As you can see that I'm pointing at, there's 4 of them. And the new plugs that came, the Barus, were a .035. That's a spacer for the spark plug. Now, when you pull your spark plugs out, you want to take a good close look at it, inspect them, and that's what I want to do also for myself. Here we go. And the original Baru spark plug socket. Let me open this here up. And by the way, this is a French engine, and that's why you get these French names. This is what the socket looks like, and it's magnetic, and maybe you can see the inside of it. Okay, anyways, it's not a regular. Part 3 on, and spark plug change in coil. I have the coils, brand new ones, and brand new spark plugs. So I want to point out to you these spark plugs. These are OEMs, and as you can see what the number is. Now what I want to point out to you, and they're a long reach. They're not anything you can buy in a local store, as you can see. And I think you can see that it says Baru on there. I can't tell through looking through this camera. 12ZR 6SP03. The washer on here is a crush washer, and just like on your oil pan, the plug that's in there that has a crush washer, it can leak. So if you don't do this right, you're going to get a leak, and your compression will be off. So you need to get it in there just right. I've seen a spark plug pop right out of there. It was so loose it just backed off and popped right out. Okay, aware that something like that can happen. 4 from on the right. We're going to pull number 2 from the left, because you know, that other tool didn't work quite well as I hope. So we're going to pull this out like this. There you go. And the insulator didn't come out with it. Just that one came out before anyways. So there's number 2. Nothing's broken. Pull her out. At you, I didn't need all that extension. I can do it with this one long extension. Like I said, I'm going to do a backward test on the torque and see what they put it in there at. If this will work. It should work. I've done it so many times in the past. I wanted to do find what it was. So we're at, oh my God, it was less than 10. Can you see it coming backwards here? So it ain't no 30. So you better watch out. I'm going to say maybe 10 would do it. 10 foot-pounds. You can see for the very first time what that looks. Electrode here, this metal part here over beside the ceramic, is dead on. I do need to do a space gap test at 0.035. Let's see what it is. Right on the money. Cooler out. We're doing the last spark plug, the fourth from the left, and I want to see on a reverse torque what they did it at, so you can see it, and I'm going to watch it very closely. It should be 8 or 9 is what all the other ones were. 9 foot-pounds, just shy of 10. Cooler out. Okay, we're going to put the first new spark plug in, and you do it, I'm going to do it by the extension only to get it started. And then when I can't turn it any longer, she'll be ready for her torquing. You hear that little squeak, you know she's down there, don't you? Okay, the next thing you'll take upwards of a 9 to 10. I know it said 9, 8 to 9. I'm going to do it. Okay, let's get it down here. I can tell pretty much when I'm there. Okay, that's it. Although I don't feel that comfortable with that light of weight, or a light, you know, that few pounds of foot-pounds of torque, who am I to question what I found out? Cooler out. We'll find out once. You know, when you're driving it, if it's skipping and doing stuff like that, then you know one of the four isn't right, or something's wrong. Cooler out. Install number 2 spark plug, and by the way, this is a cold engine. It's early in the morning, like I said, 4:30. I don't know what time it is right now because I'm not bothering with that, what time it is. Okay, this is number 2 going in from the left. And like I said, it's about 9 foot-pounds. And it did feel like when I started, you know, wanting to go beyond that 9, it resisted, and I felt uncomfortable trying to overdo something that I already knew was 9. Okay, this is the number 2 plug from the left. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm going to start bringing it, I'm tightening it down. I'm looking for the 10. It's 9, 9, 9, almost 10. Now I don't want to go any further. There's this feel you get. Okay, cooler out. It's time to put the brand new coils on. And there they are. I bought 4. And I kind of wonder whether they are or not. So let me be careful taking this out. And if you can see this, OEM. And we're down to the easy part, to be honest with you. So we're going to put the first one on the left here in, to make sure that the boot, where it points, is between these 2 plastic forward pieces here. And it snaps when it gets down there. It'll go click. There. It didn't click, you go whoop, you know, just like a rubber pop. And then you put your electrical in. like that, and then you snap down the lock. And let's hope all the rest of them are that easy. Now the next thing you do is just button up. And to button up, you put the cover back on because we're done. So we need to put the cover on. And to make sure the snaps in the front go in their 4 little place spots. Then you put the screws in. And you start. As you can see, all we have to do now is drive the car. That's the thing, ain't it? Make sure it all came out right. We'll need to go all the way down on the first screw. You can on the second one. See, it comes to a dead end stop, and that's it. You don't need to do any more. It's done. Spark plug install finished. On a 2015 Mini Roadster Steptronic automatic transmission base model. Cooler out. Enjoy your ride. Bye-bye. Cooler coming at you in a 2015 Mini Roadster Steptronic automatic transmission base model, and we're on the maiden voyage after installing the plugs and the coils. Hope that cooler out.